Hey. This is a Tascam. This is the DR-05. And today, let's open it. Okay? Styrofoam. We have a cable cord. Packaging. With instructions inside. This is your instruction manual. And this is what the inside of the styrofoam compartments look like. It has batteries included. And here it is. So, other things you'll need: batteries, more batteries. So rechargeable batteries and a recharger if you'd like to be eco-friendly. Mine came as a package together from Amazon, and a micro SD card. One of these fuzzy mic covers. You have a nice windscreen that works well for air reduction and like mouth pop reduction, all that kind of things. Unless you're trying to do mouth sounds, don't use that. And it has a stand in it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the little stand. See, it has like accessory kit for cleaning stuff. This is what I'm interested in right now. And back here is where we're going to attempt to put this on. And there you go. Start talking. How are you doing today? What's your favorite color? There you go. Now, you've got your little microphone. You can conduct your interview with yourself, with your virtual viewer, real viewer. There you go. So, let's say we get over and put this together and try it out, okay? I'm gonna be using it for ASMR, so that's my focus, all right? Hence the tapping, the whispering, and all that, okay? Let's go. Included items. This product contains the following items: main unit, micro SD card in the unit, which means we don't even need this right now, AA alkaline batteries, and the USB cable, and the owner's manual, which includes warranty. We need to know the names and functions of the parts. So we have in here a built-in omnidirectional stereo electret condenser microphone, one on each side. The peak indicator and the recording indicator, the display, home button, plus button, menu button, back button, forward button, minus button, should be your volumes, I would imagine, and maybe navigation, record button, mark button, and PB CONT button, mic EXTN. We have line, out, hold, USB connection, micro SD, push eject, battery. There's a mono speaker in the back, tripod attachment, and you've got your right and left, so you can use it binaurally. Press the up and down button to navigate. We're sticking with English. Great. Okay, setting the built-in clock. You can also connect this to monitor speakers. Open the menu screen by clicking menu. So we're going to do the recording settings. But first I'm going to show you a few more features. Hit record once and you're going to see the blinking light. Okay, so that's not recording, but it is, you can see the levels. See if I tap on either side. I have mine set to stereo. I'll take a screenshot of my settings for you. And so now I can go to quick and I can hit play for level control, and I can go down to auto level if I'm going to be out and about and I don't want to mess with levels. But for this, let's go back. And I'm going to set my levels here with these buttons. So the lovely Jim Chi ASMR recommended putting it at 80. So you're just going to back and forth until you get it to the level that you want. So basically you're going to want to try to stay this little triangle here. You're going to want to try to get your voice there, and remember you're going to have it in the record standby that's paused basically, even though it doesn't have a pause button. But yeah, I mean it has a little square, okay, square. And then to record, we're now recording. See, it has a little circle. So you can pick your format here. Anything that's a wave is always going to be better than an MP3, and MP3 is always going to be smaller. Wave 16-bit is fine. Wave 16-bit. For video, you need 48K. Music, 44.1K. Mono is just for speaking, and stereo is for doing binaural ASMR and any field recordings. Mic power on unless you're using an external mic that will plug in up there. I believe my kit also came with a lavalier I could plug in. I'm not cutting anything, no auto tones, none of this. Leave the level at -12. You can actually move your EQ around. Leave that there. You can kind of just go through and play with these things. There's other things, like there's a tuner if you're going to be humming or playing an instrument. So there we are. We're in those keys right now. All right, so we have effects. You can actually go through these and see there's different presets, but you mostly do this in post. But actually, they're kind of cool. Yeah. So mine are off, of course, there. And there you go. All right, if you want to delete a file, you want to go, I just went home. So you want to go to quick, and you could just delete. So another thing I want to just show you is something that is vital to using this. So you're going to plug your USB, and then you're going to plug it. For me, I have to use one of these guys. All right. And then we're going to come back over to the Tascam, and we're going to home. And then here we're going to move down to storage. There it is. All right, and then you're going to scroll to music, and there are your tracks. And then you can just drag and drop them to any folder that you want on your computer. And then you can actually, after you do that, you can highlight these and move them to your trash can, and they will actually delete them right off of your Tascam. And then to disconnect, you just drag your little icon to your trash, and you can disconnect safely at that time. It actually was malfunctioning, and I could not find anywhere in the world online, in Reddit, YouTube, Google, asking people who have one of these. No one seems to have run into this issue. Basically, when I would put it on mono, it was very quiet, and when I would put it on stereo, it was mono. So I had to do a factory reset. And the way you do that is you're going to go menu, others, system. And then you're going to go down. By the way, this is where you can set up, like, you know, your backlight. See, it goes off in 5 seconds. It's a little bit annoying, but I could change it. Your battery type, your language. Okay, so these are all the options here. You're going to go to initialize, and you're going to bump it over to exec. And then you're just going to hit that, and then the little play button, and then you're going to hit it again to initialize. And I'm not going to do it right now, obviously, because I already did this, so stop is no. Okay, and then we can come out of here. So that's how you're going to do it. Okay, and then the other little tip I wanted to give you was something else that lovely Davinci ASMR told me, and that is if I'm getting interference, if I'm recording with my phone and I'm getting interference with the Tascam, is to try the phone on airplane mode. So, I figured let's do a little test. Okay. Alright, so let's do a little test. Hello. 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 This is in stereo. Oh. Okay. Alright. Well, have any questions? Leave them in the comments. If you haven't seen my other videos unboxing, go check those out. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, okay? Okay, alright. Well, I'll see you in my other videos. And if you want to check out my Blue Yeti unboxing, that exists. And for some reason, it's one of my most viewed videos. So yeah, check that out. I also unboxed the 3D audio Hook verse by Hook Audio. Check that out too. Alright, is that right? Okay. And by the way, I'm using my iPhone 10X Max, 10X, what is it called? 10XS Max? I don't remember. Anyway, that's what you're listening to right